I've accepted a photo challenge to photograph the most beautiful bird in Australia in flight. So I'm about to head to my friend Maccas' house, take him some lunch, and give it a go. How you doing, Macca? Time for some hot Indian curry and a cold beer to cool it down. It's a nice warm one. This one's too hot.
This is the treat for the bird.
These rainbow lorikeets are quite difficult to photograph, especially when they're flying. And they're really aggressive and loud. So the only time I can actually talk is now, because I think something scared them away and they've all flown away, except for those two down there. Macca shows me how to feed his birds, the right amount and into which trays. No luck today, I don't think. I'll have to come back tomorrow. Macca's going to hospital, so I'm going to come back and feed his birds for him. And hopefully tomorrow I get the shot and I can share it with you. So I've arrived back at Macca's house. I've got Stacey with me. We're going to feed the birds and hopefully I get to get my shot today. I tried different positions to photograph the birds. I think I got my shot. It was really difficult to get them coming in. I managed to only get a single image. What do you think? Just hope Mac is okay in the hospital, that he recovers okay from this cancer. Good luck, Macca.